Hey there, I'm your host and welcome to Law Launchpad, your runway to everyday legal knowledge. Today we're building a valid will from scratch in just 5 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. It's faster than making your morning coffee. Let's get started. First, you need to gather your information. Think of it as a financial snapshot. Grab a notebook or open a spreadsheet and list out your major assets. This includes things like your house, car, savings accounts, and any significant investments. Next, jot down any debts, like a mortgage or car loan. Finally, write down who you want to receive your assets. These are your beneficiaries. Be clear with names and relationships. This simple prep work is the foundation for everything else, so take a minute to get it right. Now, let's talk format. In many places, a will written entirely by hand, called a holographic will, is perfectly legal as long as you sign and date it. But to avoid any confusion or handwriting mishaps, we'll use a typed template today. It's cleaner, easier to read, and less likely to be misinterpreted. You can find basic templates online, or just follow the structure we're about to create. The key is clarity, so typed is often the safer bet. Ready to write? Let's tackle the core clauses. There are 4 main parts you'll need. First is the declaration. This is simple. You just state who you are and that you re of sound mind and not under any pressure. It sounds like this. I, your full name, a resident of your city and state, declare this to be my last will and testament, revoking all prior wills and codicils. Second, you need to appoint an executor. This is the person you trust to carry out your will's instructions. It's a big job, so choose wisely. You'll write something like, I appoint my spouse, John Doe, as the executor of my will. If he is unable or unwilling to serve, I appoint my sister, Jane Smith, as the alternate executor. Always name a backup. Third, and this is the big one, is the distribution of your assets. Be as specific as possible to avoid any arguments later. For example, I give my 2023 Honda Civic to my son, Michael. Or I give my entire residuary estate, which is everything I own not specifically mentioned elsewhere, to be divided equally between my children, Michael and Sarah. If you have minor children, this is also where you'll name a guardian. You'd write, if it becomes necessary, I appoint my brother David as the guardian of my minor children. Finally, the signature clause. At the end of the document, add a line that says something like, I am signing this will on this date in the presence of the witnesses below, and then leave space for your signature, the date, and for your witnesses to sign. Now for the most critical step, signing and witnessing. You must sign your will in the presence of 2 witnesses. And here's a super important rule. Your witnesses cannot be beneficiaries in the will. They need to be neutral parties who are just confirming that they saw you sign it. Gather your 2 witnesses, declare to them, this is my will, and then sign it while they watch. After you sign, they each need to sign it in your presence and in the presence of each other. Check your local state laws, as some have slightly different rules, but the 2-witness rule is standard almost everywhere. You've done it. You have a signed will, but where do you keep it? You need a safe place. A fireproof safe at home is a great option. It's also a smart idea to give a copy to your executor so they know where to find the original when the time comes. Don't give them the original, just a copy. Some people also choose to file a copy with their local probate court or a register of wills for safekeeping. That way, it's officially on record, and that's it. A legally valid will in just a few minutes. To recap, you need 4 core sections: the declaration, executor appointment, asset distribution, and signature clause. Sign it in front of 2 witnesses who aren't inheriting anything, and store it safely. You've just taken a huge step in protecting your family and your wishes. If this guide helped you out, do me a favor and smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe for more simple legal guides every Tuesday and Thursday. Got a legal topic you're curious about? Drop it in the comments below, and maybe we'll cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching.